Welcome. Hi. Hello. Now I've done my hair color. Now I just done my dry. So this is my hair. It's the same earlier, but this is like a bit looks natural color. And earlier like a lot of highlights and stuff, but this is like I like something like this very like natural looking. So this is like yeah. So this is my hair. See? So I mean the roots is okay now. See? Then my color, all that stuff in here. Look at that. See? All the roots is okay. Looks very natural. So yeah, my hair is very long, by the way. And you see that? It's just long, 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 long. See? All this long. You know, so yeah, I'm not in the mood to cut my hair because I usually cut myself, you know, like I do my cutting, my layer, yeah, my trimming or whatever my hair. But this time I'm just like color. I'll just show you next time my blog um to cut my own hair and then you know all that kind of stuff, but next time. But yeah guys, this is my you know look in the house, just like you know, if I'm just in the house, I'm not going out, so I'm just like only hairs, you know, my hair is just like straight, but this time it's just like that. So this one tomorrow is gonna be nice and more volume tomorrow. So yeah, as you can see, you know, layer in my back. Yeah. So yeah, this is my hair. So I don't have any. I just put a little tiny lipstick because it's just my lips is very like, you know, look dull, and then you know no makeup at all ever. So well guys, I hope you like my video, like the color, how to do my your own you know DIY coloring for the roots color. So I hope you like it and you know enjoy the view. And next time I'll show you how to cut your own hair and do the curly style, all that kind of stuff. I'll show you around. So please like and subscribe Lynette's World, and make comment below, you know. So please guys, and I hope you are enjoy, and God bless. And yeah, I'm just around here in the house. So no plans, just like relaxing, watching TV. So bye guys. See you again in the see you in my next vlog. So yeah, so here you are. So bye bye. Please like and subscribe Lynette's World. Bye. Cheerio. Cheerio.